What's the meaning of alchemy? Alchemy. 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 Alchemy.
Alchemy is a philosophical and proto-scientific practice that aimed to transform base metals into noble ones, discover the elixir of immortality, and create a panacea for all diseases. The result of alchemy led to the development of modern chemistry, as well as advancements in medicine, metallurgy, and materials science. Throughout history, alchemists also contributed to the development of various laboratory techniques and apparatus, such as distillation and filtration. Today, alchemy is viewed more as a historical curiosity than a legitimate scientific pursuit, but its impact on the world cannot be denied.